Hello, beautiful people. Hello, how everybody's doing today? We're back online, we're back streaming, we're back doing this in front of you guys, right? Aren't we? Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the live stream. I'm Ignas from ICT Trading, and like every single week, and like every single day, we show up to do what? To trade and to read the algorithmic market delivery, to figure out the trading possibilities and to read the market together, right? So without further ado, let's kind of dive into this. I'm just checking the volumes, I'm just checking this out. If everything is good on my end, looks good. I hope it is good enough for you guys as well. Hello guys, hello Thomas. How are we today? What's good? Everything seems alright. So let's dive right into it. And right away, starting with dollar index, I'm watching something that had my interest for kind of the whole day. Where I'm watching this 15 minutes inversion. I like the fact that we kind of tagged this 1 hour for value gap up here. Didn't build too much premium, sadly. Better than yesterday, still a bit laggy, but good. Oh shoot. Are we still lagging? Wonder why. It's okay though. How bad are we lagging, guys? Huh? Hey, oh, thank you, Tiger. Thank you so much. Thank you for remembering that. So I'm watching this 1 hour for value gap that kind of allowed the market to go into premium, took yesterday's high and broke below this 15 minutes fair value gap. I like this. I like how we offered a entry to go lower here on dollar. The outside is remaining open. I'm gonna be watching that, and because of what I just said, I missed this entry. I very much wanted to enter on Euro USD here on 15 minutes chart. Right after that got broken, buy side residing up here. I like this. I very much did. When you move, trading view is a bit choppy. Me moving and trading view being choppy has nothing to do with one another, guys. Like, that sounded silly. If I move, it doesn't matter. The camera eats exactly the same energy if I move or I don't. You know, so weird thing you said, but okay. Shoot. Why are we lagging then? I wonder. I'm taking a look at what is happening on my end. What am I doing wrong that we're lagging, huh? Who might guess? Who wants to make a guess? The monitor? I'm just trying to understand what would be wrong, what could be wrong, and I don't see anything that I can adjust. For me, it's Gucci now. Oh, here we go. Yay! When you scroll through the new, it starts to lag a bit. Ah, yeah, I understand. So, yeah, sadly, I missed this. This was a perfect entry, just like we had it yesterday. Yesterday, we were waiting for this 15 minutes to get broken to the upside and enter it right here, actually. Right here. We got exactly the same offer today, but I missed it. Too bad. But 1 hour chart, GBP USD, this is my interest now. We got this broken. I called it on Discord as well, just, I don't know, half an hour ago, that I'm watching this for value gap and I wanted to get broken. So we got that. I'd love to see a little bit of a retracement for the entry itself though. Let's see. Let's see if we can find one. Gonna be interesting to watch this, but No entry for me yet. And that kind of brings us to indices. And on indices, it's gonna be rough. It's gonna be an interesting session, to be fair with you guys. Why I'm saying that? Because we are kind of missing the move already. And where did I celebrate my birthday, Tiger? I went back home to my parents, actually. I went back home. I went to my parents' house. We threw a little bit of a party there. Nothing too big. Nothing too big. Nothing too crazy. But yeah, we had a little bit of fun back there. We rented the sauna and jacuzzi and everything. So we had a little bit of fun. Quite a few people showed up, which was fun. A few old friends came by as well that I haven't met for a while. So it was a nice weekend. I spent some nice time on activities on Friday. I actually went to a drumming class. That was cool. That was a cool thing to do. So yeah. Let's see. But okay, I just wanted to check in on a few things. What I'm thinking about is maybe I should. What if? Okay, who's smarter than I am? Question. If I use a HDMI port, will that consume less energy from my laptop if compared to a PD port? Because this monitor has both HDMI and PD port available. Would PD port consume more energy from my laptop than the HDMI cable? Or would it not? Be my guest. Who's gonna be able to answer that, huh? Interesting question, isn't it? Doesn't make a difference, that's what I'm thinking as well, but that's the only change that I've done comparing my setup from last week to this week. And this week, the stream is a little bit laggy, which is unfortunate. Yet, coming back to the charts, that's what we all gathered for, right? So let's get into it. Let's get into it. I'm watching buy stops. I'm watching a new all-time high panning out. I'm watching this buy side liquidity pool that we wanted to reach whole last week as well. And I'm trying to find an entry towards that. I like how this 1 hour for value gap supported the push to the upside right here. I very much enjoyed that. I very much like that. Exactly the same is happening on ES. We're pushing away because of that. Buy stops residing above, so I'm just waiting for that to be tagged, and to see if that will kind of influence what are we looking for the remainder of the day. If we're looking at the power of 3 concept overall, power of 3 opened the market. Now it's pushing to the upside. We didn't have distribution just yet. I don't know, I'm a little bit torn, but what I'm watching now is buy side liquidity resting above. Yeah, so let's do that, and let's do that together. So this trend line is forming. We never want to see trend lines remaining open in the market. Never ever we want to see that. 5 minutes, that's where my entry came from. I did something like that today already. Very small scalp just to go break even for the week, because I was still in the red for the week, even though yesterday was profitable. I was still missing a little bit of profit comparing what I've done on how badly I've done on Monday. So we're almost back. We are not almost back. We're at break even already. And I'm just starting to note what I see and what I'm gonna be watching for the rest of the day. It would be cool to continuously push higher towards 18,879. Then maybe we can catch a retracement lower. If that gets stuck, that would be cool. JBP is breaking this structure, interestingly enough. Take a look at that. But let's see. So we have 10 a.m. news again, just like we had it yesterday. FX. Where do I check the news? FX factor. So Wednesday, yeah. ISM services PMI, whatever this is, I don't really care. I don't really care what it does to the market or what happens during that time. I really don't, but we're gonna have to watch that, okay? And that's my order as well. That's my order that I took. Very small trade, 4 handles, bomb, tagged, good enough for me. Right now, I'm just waiting for buy side to be taken. No entry for me just yet. And probably we won't have one because the market is just gonna push towards those buy stops and not allow us to enter at all, which is cool. Fine by me. Fine by me. Right? Where is the... So, I think this is the weekly high, right? Let's do 15 minutes. Oh, that's the weekly high of the last week. So, let me note that. Weekly high on yes. There we go. Weekly high on NQ. Is that it? No. It's a lot higher. So we might even have an SMT today. Gonna be interesting to see. Hi, Bronenzo. What is that? Huh? What is that, man? Bronenzo. Oh, yeah. Do you mean that I'm the GOAT like LeBron? LeBron, me? Well, we can compare. We can try to compare that. That's good enough for me. Good enough for me, man. This is 5 minutes, right? Markets are open. Markets are kind of trying to break the structure now. So here's the difficult part of today. Is this a Judas swing to run a little bit of sell side, continue higher? Or is it a Judas, or is it a break of structure from which we're gonna get an entry afterwards? Interesting, right? Do we have sell side resting below somewhere? We kind of do. But this is massive already. This is big. A short-term break of structure is happening. Shift of structure, whatever you call this. We're getting that. What else are we getting? I want to see higher prices, so I'm just considering this as a Judas swing in a way. Buy side residing up here. So what would be cool actually? We take buy side on NQ and we fail to do it on ES, SMT, push to the downside right away. That would be cool. Not sure if we can get that. On paper now, YouTube 2022 entry. Do I touch this? No, thank you. Especially on NQ, it's very much visible. Right? YouTube 2022. Here we go. You enter this if you believe that sell side is next. I want this to get tagged. Thus, I'm not interested. If my bias would be bearish, I would be entering this. Would be in a trade with you guys now. Sell side resting below those lows. 830. Not for me though. It's good to watch this. So let me put it here. Not in a trade. How can we be retracing? That's the interesting part. 4 hours inversion didn't really get an entry. We can go as deep as that easily. Easily. Why not? Well, let's see. Let's see what the opening does and let's see what the news does to the market. Otherwise, I'm not too crazy about this. Two reasons why I'm saying this as well. One is because it's an FP protocol. On paper, nothing usually good happens from Wednesday through Thursday and Friday until NFP actually releases. Nothing good happens. Second is I'm just having a rough week trading. Having a rough week reading the market, understanding where it wants to draw towards to, what it really wants to do. I'm having a rough week doing that and I'm kind of realizing that fact, right? Me realizing that directly can save my ass a little bit. And this is what I talked yesterday to you guys as well. So if you weren't here yesterday, we talked about that, how to say, that difference between successful and professional trading. And profitable trading even, let's say. For me to be profitable, I don't need this risk. I don't need anything that the market is offering out here right now. Like, yes, this is a nice move. Like, so let's start measuring it. 2 standard deviations at 15 minutes fair value gap. That would be cool. 93.75. Yeah. Let's watch it. But for me to be profitable, I don't need this. If I would be running my account from 1,000 to 10K in I don't know, in a month, good luck doing that. But if I would be aiming to do that, yep, this would be an entry for me. I would be more than happy to take this risk. Right now, I don't need this. I'm much happier just not taking this entry and waiting it out. Waiting it out and just allowing the market to do its work, and then kind of capitalizing on it when there's a little bit of the way left, you know, towards a liquidity pool, towards an inefficiency that I'm towards too, and so on and so forth, you know. So far so good. Another inefficiency, another fair value gap holding in the price here. We're good. What I don't like, so if I would be in an entry now, what I don't like about this is that he has created a lower low when NQ failed to do that. You want to see the markets trading in sync when they go lower like this, and they're not. At the moment, they're literally not doing that. So you would be considering to getting out of this, you know? Is this an inversion for a buy entry? No, thank you. Not for me. Yes, though, it's showing a lot more weakness. Interesting. Watch this now. Balance price range. Let's watch that. Gonna be interesting to see how we treat it. Dollar still has ways to go lower. Sell side from Asia is still remaining there. Dollar has a lot more to go, you know? Can continuously push a lot lower from where it is right now. I like that possibility. But I would love the markets to start getting in sync for the news, kind of. If they don't, they don't. Fine by me. See, this is exactly why I'm not so far just yet interested in it. Still watching it. And it failed. This would have been an entry on a regular trading day, you know? Not today. Mm-hmm. This 15 minutes is kind of holding in the price. Okay? Not allowing to go any lower. We gotta know that. Order block. Yeah. It's a 5 minutes chart. Trade. Fair value gap up here, right? Order block. Yeah. 4, 3, 2, 1. Just gotta wait. We are creating a little bit of range now, though. This, no? Not interested. No, thank you. We're just waiting it out. We're waiting it out. I hope you are. I hope you guys are not touching this. That would be just silly to say, at least. You know? Well, anything can happen in 15 minutes from now. And you don't know when it happens. Then you go like, oof. My bad, you know. Could have been avoided though. So far, so boring. Well, let's see. Let's see. I'm $1 to continuously push lower. Can it retrace from where it is standing at right now? With these, like, why not? Euro buy side taken. Geo still not. Okay. Let me do something. Or however valuable told the story. Yes. Yes. Right here. That one, right? And this one. Yeah, man. Yeah. I think we're gonna continuously go higher. But we don't even need that, you know? We have these 15-minute structure here that we want to find support at. That's what we're gonna be waiting for. At the same time, we're creating a liquidity pool that is still open down here on dollar. I'd love to get there today. I would love to see that. Euro. So far so good as well. This was interesting. Too bad we missed it. Now though, it's kind of breaking the structure to the other side of the marketplace. Buy side taken, we're trading above midnight. We have space for retracement. Watch this. This is interesting. This is interesting. So interesting that I'm actually gonna press that button. This is cool. I like this. Do you back into that hourly inversion? Oh, let's not touch it. Back into this. London offered a nice 5-minute YouTube 2022. London. London. This one? 4 o'clock? Possibly. Yeah. Yeah. But I'm happy I'm not participating in this. I'm just gonna wait for the news to hit the market. See the whole story, see the full picture of what is actually happening out here. And then it's gonna be go time. 3:15. 3:15. Hola. Huh? 3:15 on 5 minutes. You're right. Ugly as fuck, but you're right. Yeah. Cool, man. Good you're noticing things like this. It's very good you're starting to notice things like that. It's cool, man. But we're getting structure built up in a manner that we got it last stream yesterday. Nothing to my liking, just. But what we have 10 more minutes till the news release. On forex, I would be just hoping for a little bit lower prices initially. What happens afterwards, we'll see. But initially, at least. This is what has to hold on you, though. If you're touching this, you're watching this inversion, right? Not only that, you're watching this YouTube 2022, where we had a double top, was taken up here, right? Double top, taken, killed. Break of structure right below this, and a fair value gap, plus an inversion. This is a very strong entry. Big issue is that we're having news releasing in 10 minutes from. Massive issue for this entry. Massive. But we'll see. Just diving deeper into the outside. I like this. Not really. Not really, to be fair. Not much for me to like here. Euro so far so good, but this so far, the only thing I can read is that sell side was taken, right? Sell side taken on ES, meaning that there's an SMTs in place, right? ES created a lower low, while NQ failed, meaning that NQ is a much stronger position right now, yeah? Ay, ay, ay. What did I do? NQ is looking a lot stronger now. This is gonna be an inversion as well, which is cool. An inversion happening on ES also, yeah? I touch this. No, I don't. And what I'm starting to like is a possibility of the news kind of crashing the market. If we tag this. If we tag this buy side, resting above, I like the possible drawn liquidity lower. Because you have to consider something. Every single time when we're in a position like this, right before the news are going to release, right? Have to consider who is happy right now on NQ. Everybody who went long this morning is happy. Yeah. We gotta hurt those people. However that sounds. Doesn't sound nice. But yeah. And I'm going to Portugal this year. I'm just reading my friend's chat. We just got the tickets for Portugal. That's cool. My dog is coming with me as well. That's cool. Utah. She's asleep. She has no idea that she's going to Portugal later this year. It's funny. I don't like Euro USD anymore though. I like the fact that I'm going to Portugal later this year. I don't like the fact of... Portugal, guys. Yeah, Portugal. I like the fact that I'm going to Portugal later this year. I don't like the fact that Euro USD is not doing what I wanted to do. Fine though. Fine. Gus though. I'm reading what you wrote in Discord. Dude, like... whatever loss you had, doesn't matter. Like, being profitable in such an early stage... Good work, man. Good work. Yeah, though, Portugal. It'd be fun. Inversion to push the price to the upside. Watch this. No entry. Please. News releasing in a bit. Watch this. Okay. Same on ES. Don't touch it though, please. 4 more minutes of waiting. Stay patient, stay calm, wait it out. This is a trade entry though. If your model allows you to trade 3 minutes before the news, you go. Doesn't matter what I say. If your model allows you to do that, go. Here, come. This looks good. Name on ES. And yes, I'm actually considering this. It gives a good range to work with. Gives a good stop loss as well. I won't touch it though. Nope. Considering it though. Let me show. Not touching it, guys. I'm not touching it. double top. I like this. I like that. I'd love to see euro going lower. I'd actually love to see that. So on one side of it, maybe let's watch euro a little bit, okay? Could be a fun thing to do. U222 plus inversion. So far, so not too good, but let's see. Let's see. Anything can happen though. That's my risk is very low. I'm risking half a percent there. 0.5% on that trade. Can you just shoot to the skies? Easy. Can't say no to that. Listen, I'm gonna show you ES as well. You got Euro, NQ, and ES. You have everything in front of you. News releasing in 2 minutes, so. Looking at the market right now, what would you be willing to see? I have no fucking idea. Thus we wait, you know? If you have an idea, go ahead, try it out. You have 1.5 minutes to open a demo account and try it, you know? If you don't want to do it on demo, just log something in. Log your thoughts, log what you're thinking the market will do. Evaluate it after, you know? That is a cool thing to do. On indices though, on paper, I'm thinking buy side. On euro, on paper, I'm thinking sell side. Let's see. Let's see. 1 more minute to go. Then we're gonna do the figuring out part. Evaluating what just happened. Evaluating what we want to continue to happen. Right? So, gun to my head. If somebody would tell me to press a button now, I would do this. I would do something similar to this. Gun to my head on euro, if somebody would tell me to press a button, I would do something like that. Let's see. 50-50 in a way, one of them will be right. Jokes aside, 2 seconds. Euro USD, $400 made. Enjoy that. I love trading the news, guys. I love trading the news. I love this. So far, so good, huh? Big trade for me. Dude, I just... Massive trade. On EU, though. Not in front of you guys, sadly. The 1.5% on EU done. Not too shabby. Let's go back into indices. Let's see. News, sell side taken. So I would be considering higher prices now. Do I enter this? No, I don't. I'm still waiting it out. I'm still waiting it out. Patience, patience, patience. Yeah? Sell side taken. Same sell side. Not taken on NQ. So we have an SMT. right? I want buy side to be taken. That's the only thing that I'm interested in. I'm not interested in anything else, okay? Other thing I'm interested in is how much fucking money I just made on that account, which should be a lot. A lot for me, at least. So, our accounts look good. Accounts look very, very good. Very, very juicy. I like this. I like this. It's good. Okay. I'm done watching it. Let's see. Let's see what are we working with so far. Dollar pushing to the upside towards that. Towards that inversion on 15 minutes. So let's see if it can find resistance there. I would be very happy to go long here. That would be incredible. That would be amazing. Oh yeah, I just finished reading the chit chat between a few of my friends. We're going to Portugal later this week. Not this week, this year. It'd be fun. I was thinking about it for quite a while. I'm actually kind of even considering moving there. In a way, not moving, but you know how I go during the winter times? I go into Southeast Asia last 2 years just to run away from the winter months and everything and all the grayiness surrounding Lithuania. We're just kind of considering possibilities of doing it towards Portugal this year. And yeah, Utah is gonna come together. That will be fun. He looks cute. I'm still watching. I'm still waiting. I have nothing placed. And just continuation to the upside. Nothing else interests me. Hourly, no structure was broken. 15 minutes. No structure broken just yet. Right? We have to consider this low though. We have to consider lows like this. No. I'm gonna put it down here for myself. If we get to this, cool. Do I need the market to get there to go long? Not really, but would be cool. Yeah. Otherwise, both sides of the market clean, especially on NQ, it's very, very visible. Opening range high taken, opening range low taken as well. Both sides of the market cleaned up, so it can start going places. So let me know this. Both sides of the market booked. Now the market can run freely in a way. Watch this. Consider 50% level. Market trading above it would allow it to push higher. The market breaking it. That just makes me sad because we're gonna go lower that, and I don't really want to see that happening. 312.5. Here we go, 50% level. So watch this now. This is kind of the last line of defense for buys, at least for me. Everything below this will become bearish. Eh? I think, like, very honestly speaking with you guys, I think we're gonna be due another definitive withdrawal after this stream. We did a 9k withdrawal on definitive trading, what, first week of May? Which is good enough. I'm trading with 350k account on definitive, which is CFDs, which I trade forex with them, right? And I did 9k, and right now I'm looking at something like 7.5, maybe 8k withdrawal possibly, which we're just few days longer than a month into a, let's say, how to call it then, trading month. Let's call it trading month. Yeah, I made the withdrawal early May. It was like 9.8k, something like that. It's on Discord, I think. Yeah, it is. And now we're looking at 7.5 to 8k or something. That would be cool. That's great. That is that is good. I like it. This is cool. Gus is great. Considering what Gus is doing with his Apex account, like, it's insane. Bearish. I'm not interested in a buy anytime soon. Because I'm not interested in a buy, I'm gonna stay away from this. So we're gonna chat. We're gonna talk. We won't press any buttons. It's nice what you guys are chatting in Discord as well, that, for example, Gus is literally risk-free because he took a withdrawal out. Once he receives it, let me adjust my mic. He got his withdrawal out, right? And once he receives it, he literally becomes risk-free. He can do whatever he wants in a way. I know it was like 2k withdrawal or something. Yeah. You can literally set aside 1k and risk another k. With 1k, dude, you can have like 10 funded accounts. Okay, not 10. Not 10. That's too many. You can have like 7 or 8, right? That's just insane. Ah. Good. Good stuff, man. Happy for you. Happy for you. That's the plan, yeah. I love it. I love it, man. Good plan to have in a way. Very, very good plan to have. I'm just watching other markets. Dollar just broke through the dollar broke into that 1 hour favela gap. Dude, like, it's gonna be interesting what we're gonna see happening today. So far, nothing interests me, but it's gonna be interesting to see what actually happens later down the line today. Day is only starting. Double bottom on you. This is why I went short. Literal setup that we do day in, day out. Buy side taken, we want to see sell side to be taken afterwards. That's what I'm targeting. Why is market stupid today? Tiger. So I think this is the third NFP that you're spending with us, right? NFP week, right? What do I say every single NFP week? What do I write in my weekly outlook about NFP? Okay, so let's do something. Let's go into, where do I want to go? I want to go into the Discord channel. I want to go into weekly outlook. I want to open up that document. Monday, green. Tuesday, green. Wednesday, yellow. NFP protocol. What does NFP protocol mean? That there's no real trading happening today, tomorrow, and Friday. I literally just answered your question. I think you didn't read the weekly outlook this week, did you? Did you? Because if I open you the... what's the name? FX news calendar. Here we go, Forex Factory. I'll show you the Forex Factory. What do we have on Friday? Unemployment rate. Non-farm payroll. This is the biggest news event that drives the market every single month. It happens first Friday of the month. Never changes. You can have a whole 3 days, 5 days, including the weekend holiday, every single start of the month. Because these 3 days we don't trade because nothing good happens. Nothing at all. But this is what you see right now. This is 8 times out of 10. And I'm even getting frustrated when I speak about this. Because that's how it is. Nothing good happens during NFP week. Just trust me on that. Oh yeah. It's gonna be fun. Tomorrow is gonna be fun. A lot of news drivers. Friday is gonna be even more fun because NFP is there. But nothing good will happen out of that. Even though it will be fun, nothing good will happen, you know? Oh yeah. Let's see what the bonds are doing. We broke the structure again. Like, this is awful. But reasonable as well. They should patch. You need a new DLC on this, right? This is funny. It's funny, man. But yeah, I'm not interested in too much of the pricing and what the market is going to book today. Double top up here though on ES. I have two places that I want to see the market drawing towards today. If not today, later down the line this week. Outside is residing below this news release. If I say it is residing, I'm here. I'd love to see both of them getting tagged today. That would be cool. This would be cool. What else can we take a look at? Ethereum. Consolidation again. Like, no interest here. What was happening in the markets half a month ago? Bitcoin is halving. Bitcoin is gonna shoot to 200k because of halving and yada. Nothing happened. Like nothing at all. We hit 50% level on a weekly, inverted it for value gap and ran through buy side. That's all you need to know. And people still tell me that there's no algo running this when I literally can call the market on Bitcoin as well as I do on futures and on CFDs, whatever asset class, you name it. People still argue with me that there's nothing like an algo running this. When you literally have 50% level of a weekly range being a low, random, inversion on daily, random, buy side liquidity pool, bomb tagged. Where are we going? 74,415. Put it to your notes, save this video, watch it later. You're gonna have 74,415 very soon. Like, nope, no algo running this, not at all. Hate people like. What else? We went through a few markets, right? We literally just did. Turn that off. Let's see what we have in front of us. See what we can have. Ah! Okay, let's do something more fun. Tanya, that looked funny. Holy, yeah! Watch my live stream. Give it a like. Is she really? Where's her glasses? Why did you send me a picture of her in her glasses when she's not wearing glasses? Huh? I wanted to see her wearing those. Too bad. Too bad. Is there anything that would interest me here? Nothing. 5 minutes. The only things that interest me are these 3 lines on NQ, ES, buy stops reside here, sell side below. No buy side at all. Sell side below. Buy side actually up here. 18879.75. We called it 10 days ago. She was wearing sunglasses. It looked funny. It looks funny. It does look funny, man. I like that. It is funny. Hmm. 5:30 news type. You find that? Oh, you're looking probably at orange news and all the other color news, right? That's an interesting topic to cover, actually. This is my opinion, but orange, other, everything but not red in the economic news calendar doesn't really influence what we're doing. Meaning that, like, there's no, let's say, danger in entering a trade before an orange news event. It is alright. It's not right. I think it's not. But what I want to say is that, like, the markets don't consolidate before orange news release. And this is, I'm loving this already. So I'm gonna go short very soon. I'm saying it out loud. We're gonna go short today. Because we're gonna have a massive SMT. Huge SMT, guys. Huge. And guess what happened? Guess what happened on Q? What kind of level did we just hit, huh? What did we hit on in Q, huh? Fuck the haters. We've been waiting for this for like 5 days in a row. Got it. Now we can go short though. Because we have an SMT. Because we have an SMT. Right? We do have this. I'm gonna be watching a possible short entry because of that. Would be very, very reasonable for us today. Yeah. So let's see if we can get that short entry at some point today. Yeah. Oh, sorry. Let me do some. Let me be proud of myself. Huh? Let me be proud of. Control F. 8, 7, 9. Oh, this is good. This is such a while ago. June 3rd. Nothing random, guys. There we go. Ding 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 ding. Like if you would be in a casino now, it would be going like ding 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 ding. People would be singing like Viva Las Vegas and stuff. Elvis Presley. You would be getting drinks. You would be getting free gifts and everything, just so you would continue doing what you just did, which is literally predict the fucking future. It's cool. Hey, nothing here is random, guys. Nothing. Nothing at all. Okay? And then you get banned from casinos. And food for thought, Gus, would be, since we work for a broker, would we ban somebody if somebody would be profitable on the brokerage side? We wouldn't. We would profit. We would be able to use that. That's the difference between trading and casinos and gambling, you know? Depends. Depends on how quickly that happened, huh? I know what you mean, though. Yeah, I do understand what you're saying, man. No. Are we gonna get a short? Are we gonna get it? Are we gonna get it? Good. I want this to be tagged, though. I want this to get tagged so we can go short. Let's see. Let's see. It could be a very interesting day if we get it. Three to four. Ooh. You could actually turtle soup this. Like, I'm not gonna. But you could actually turtle soup this with a 3-point stop loss. Sounds interesting for me. The possibility of doing it. Hmm. Nothing too shabby though. Nothing too great about it. I'd love this SMT to hold. I'd love this SMT to hold so we can get a short. If not, I'm literally done for the day. Not gonna be interested in participating in this anymore. We just can stay below. Did we stay below? We did. Not. Nope. Not alright. Hmm. Well, let's watch it now, because now it becomes interesting. Now it becomes interesting because I'm. We're gonna be left without an entry on this run. Literally gonna be left without an entry. No. And Q a lot stronger. He is just doing the catching up now. Too bad this didn't hold. Too bad this didn't hold. This can just run away from us. Yes, we have a double top here now. But this balanced price range isn't really stopping the move for me. Like the market can continuously just rip through this towards a new all-time high, which is fine. But then it means there's no trade entry for us to work with, which is just too bad. Can do about it. So watching Q at the same time, where we are at on ES, exactly the same level. Trade here, there. I'm trying to gather my thoughts in terms of why was this story. Why is this buy sell liquidity pool necessary to be taken when we we had the breaker block and everything here. Yes, a lot of sell side was taken. We still have this news release, sell side residing right below it. Yeah. Let's just follow this. Let's see what it brings. But this is an inversion. Like this is an entry towards the buy sell liquidity pool above here. I can't take it though. Like the risk is too big. I love this turtle soup though. I love that, but me. You wanna know why I'm so silent now? Because I just realized something which is just so annoying. Who wants to make a guess what I realized? With this turtle soup. With this. This was a good entry. That I'm nothing against. Take it every single time of the week. Whether it is NB, whether it's not, I would always take this. You wanna know why I went silent? Holy! I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna show it. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see this. You see how many red lines this is? Those are okay, but they shouldn't be there because I thought that I'm entering a micro, and I entered a full mini on this fucking thing. Aye. That hurts. That really hurts. It's not bad. It's $150 off a 50k account, off every 50k account. It's alright, but it should have been $20 instead of $150. Hurt. It does hurt. Let me admit that. It does hurt. Ay, 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 ay. Can't say much about it. Human error. Let's call it that. Human error. Ay, ay, ay. It's fine though. Let's regain focus on this. Pum, pum, pum. What do we have? We're breaking the structure. We're inverting that value gap, but buy side. 4 hours still holding in, so didn't break that. Broke it on. In Q. That retracement is possible. Retracement is very. That's what we're doing right now. That's what we're getting right now. Too bad though. Too bad. So if we get that, but there's no SMT with us. Well, just thinking if this could become a short entry or not. 15 minutes closed above it. Nah, we can't. Macro releasing in a tiny bit though. Gonna be interesting to watch that. But no, they're like annoying. Annoying. I'm laughing at myself that I took a full-on mini instead of a micro here. It hurts. It hurts me inside out, man. It does, but not much I can do about it now. You know. But yeah, guys, this will be it for me. This will be it. I don't have much else to cover today. What did we do? We went for 18879.25. We wanted that for a while. We manipulated during the news, right? Under subscriber special zone, exactly, man. Yes. I'm excited about that. I am. I am. But this will be it for me. That's not an entry. We can watch this IFFD. But no, not for me. No, saying like no, not for me. I'm gonna finish off the stream now. I'm gonna get going. Yeah. Silly me though, and I'm frustrated. I'm frustrated because of that order I did. It's okay though. Okay. I'm gonna guys see you next time. Hope you had fun. Hope you guys enjoyed hanging in here. 100 subscriber special coming very soon. Some of you guys went through the journey together with me since subscriber number 1, you know, which is incredible. Shut up. We're gonna do Yu-Gi-Oh cards or Magic the Gathering or something, you know? Fidget spinner giveaway, maybe. I love your humor, man. I love it. Good. Good humor, man. But yeah, we're gonna figure something. It might happen tomorrow, actually. If it does, who knows? Who knows what we're gonna do? So yeah, I'm gonna do some thinking on that. And otherwise, say thank you for showing up. Thank you for being with me. And I'm gonna see you tomorrow. Bye.